Open page number 4, S3 children. Can anybody read what is S3? Can anybody read? Who wants to read?
Miss,
Zainab, what is the heading given the read? What is S3?
Miss, comparing properties.
Very good. Comparing properties. That means we all know what are the properties of 3D shapes, children. Now we are going to compare. That means with each other, we are going to compare the 3D shapes. Prem,
Miss.
Sakshit, all of you turn on your videos, ma.
Miss, I can talk. Miss. Miss, I can talk, Miss.
Quiet, Nana. Quiet, everyone. Open page number 4. Comparing properties. Now we are going to compare properties. Okay. Now, who wants to read the first question? What is that first question? Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Hasini, read the first question. Tali, Hasini.
Draw lines to match the object to the kinds of faces that they have.
Very good, excellent. Draw lines to match the objects to the kinds of faces that they have. Very good. So, children, all of you look at the screen. Okay. Now, all of you look at the screen, ma.
Miss,
Comparing properties. Put the today's date. Do you know
Miss,
we have entered into December month? Do you know,
Miss.
children? Which month is this?
Miss,
Children, tell me which month is this, sir?
Miss, page number, Miss.
Page number 4, Nana. Page number 4.
Miss,
Volume 2.
Miss, page number.
Miss, show date, Miss.
Miss, I can talk.
Don't talk, children. Don't talk. So, now we are going to compare the properties of 3D shapes. Okay? 3D shapes. Do you know we have entered into December month? November month is completed.
Yes, Miss.
After December, again which month will come after December?
January.
That means New Year will come.
January.
January means New Year will come, no?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. That means we are in the last month of the year, December. What is the last month? December. Yes. Now all of you put the today's date. 1/12/20. 1/12/20. Put the today's date here, and we are going to do the first one. Matching is given. So draw lines to match the objects to the kinds of faces that they have. So let us see the first question. What is A1 object? What is this object? What is
Miss,
this object,
page number. Miss, page number, Miss.
Children, I don't understand. Why are you asking me page number? Why are you asking me page number? Volume 2, page number 4. 5 times I told. హోంవర్క్ తీసి పెట్టాలి మిస్, అది రాసి నేను పెడతాను ఒకసారి క్లాస్ అయిపోయాక. అక్కడ కూర్చుంటా. Children, volume 2, 3D shapes, block 9, open page number 4. Worksheet, open page number 4, Nana. Everybody. Show me your books to me, show me your books. Thank you. Very good. Yes, that page only. Very good. Okay, very clear. Don't ask me again and again what is the page number. Okay. Ready to do? Ready to do the matching? Okay, Chaitra, then listen, Tali. Okay. Listen the class, Chaitra. Okay, children, all of you look at the screen. So this is S3. What is the first shape? Who will tell what is the first shape?
Cylinder.
Very good, cylinder. What is the second one?
Cylinder. Cube.
Next. Now tell me, children, cylinder have curved face or flat face or curved and flat faces?
Curved face. Curved face.
Only curved face it has, no flat faces.
And flat face.
Very good. Curved and flat face.
One curved
All of you
face.
match with curved and flat face. Curved and flat face. Second one, cube. Cube has curved faces or flat faces there?
Flat face.
Very good. Flat face. Only Hasini is telling answers. Remaining children, give your answers. Very good. Okay, what is the C1, Nana? C1?
Curved face and flat face.
What is the C1? It is also like a cylinder. Cylinder means curved and flat face. Match with last one, curved and flat. Next is sphere. Sphere, curved face or flat face?
Curved face. Curved face.
Hasini, don't tell answers, Hasini. Quiet for 5 minutes, Hasini. Okay? Ma, next, what is the next one? Sphere after?
Cuboid.
Very good. This is cuboid. Cuboid has flat faces or curved faces, Nana?
Flat faces.
Very good. Flat faces. Next, what is the last one?
Cone is cone.
Very good. Cone has flat face or curved face?
No. Curved face. Curved face.
Very good. Cone has curved face and also flat face. I told you down of cone, one flat face will be there. So cone has curved and flat both. Okay, now all of you come to second question. Last year, will you read the second question, Tali? Last year? Unmute yourself, last year.
I will.
Wait. Last year will read.
Write one vase in which shape one is the same as shape two.
Very good. Write one way in which shape one is the same as shape 2. That means children listen very carefully. Listen very carefully what I am telling. Here A shape and another shape. Shape 1, shape 2. Two shapes are given for you. Okay, first one I'll tell you. B and C you have to do. Okay, first one cube and cuboid is given. No problem, Aniket. Listen to the class. Okay, shape 1 cube and shape 2 cuboid. Now they are asking write one way in which they are same. For these two shapes, what is the same property they are asking? Properties, we all know properties, corners, faces, edges. These two have faces, corners and edges, no. So, same number, 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. So, I am writing, they have faces, comma, edges. All of you write down. They have faces, comma, edges. ఈ టూ కి సేమ్ గా ఉన్నాయి, కామన్. ఫేసెస్ ఎడ్జెస్ ఉన్నాయి టూ కి, అందుకే నేను దే హ్యావ్ ఫేసెస్ కమా ఎడ్జెస్ ఐ రోట్. దట్ మీన్స్ దే హ్యావ్ సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. Now all of you write for B and C. Who will write? I'll see now. For B and C, what is a common property? What is a common property? B and C. B1 cone and cylinder is given. What is a common property? Cone and cylinder. సేమ్ గా ఏముంటాయి అందులో? కోన్ సిలిండర్ లో సేమ్ గా ఏముంటాయో అది రాయాలి. You have to write what is same in cone and cylinder.
Miss, completed.
C1 also, Hasini.
Miss, I know. Miss, I know.
Then write down. If you know, write down, children. Very good, Chaitra. Write down. Don't type your answers, Nana. Write down.
They
Okay,
both
Chaitra,
have
you don't have
consent.
book now. Okay. Write down, children. Navya, are you writing, Tali? Navya?
Yes, Miss.
Children, if you have any doubt, raise your hand, Nana. Raise your hand. Yakub, do you have any doubt, Nana? Yakub?
No, Miss. No, Miss.
Very good, Aniket. Very good. Write down there.
Miss, completed, Miss.
Who completed? Show your digital thumb to me. Last year you have doubt, huh? Okay, very good, last year. Very good. Very good, Navya. Very good, Prem Sharan, Aniket. Zainab completed, Nana. Zainab. Aradhya. Akshara. Satvik. Tali, Nainika completed, Nainika.
Miss, even I have doubt, Miss.
What is B1, Nana?
Even I have doubt, Miss.
C or B?
C, Miss.
C, cylinder and sphere is given now, Zainab. Cylinder and sphere, what is same in cylinder and sphere? You tell me. What is same?
Two will roll, Miss.
Very good, Lasya. Very good. Very good. Excellent, Lasya. Write down. Zainab, she told one same thing, no? Can you write another thing which is same? Now we understood how to write?
Miss. Miss.
Children, why are you not switching on your videos, Nana? Children, if you didn't switch on your videos, I'll remove you from the meeting. Last warning. Yakub, no video. Aniket, Jashvita, no videos. Aniket and Jashvita. Yakub also. Havish, are you writing? Havish? Show me your thumb, Havish. Sakshit, what about you, boy?
Miss, I have B1 doubt. Okay.
What is your doubt, Satvik?
The video on, Miss.
Okay,
Miss,
okay.
I on my video, Miss, but in participant, there is off the video, Miss.
Okay. No problem. Okay.
Miss, I ordered video on, Miss.
Okay, Jashvita. I'm telling for them who didn't switch on. Okay? Who switched on, no problem. Who didn't switch on, I'm telling they don't have class today. I'll remove them from the meeting. Remember. Okay. Okay, Nana, let us move on. All of you listen to me. Third question. Who wants to read third question? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who? Tanish, read, Nana. Tanish. Wait, Tanish will read, children. I'll give you chance for all. Wait. Tanish. Start reading, Tanish. Boy, unmute yourself. Tanish, will you read or not?
I'll read it. Arjun has a 3D object with 12 edges. His friend
Akram.
Akam
Wants to buy
3D objects with a different numbers and edges.
Then the object
Has name on 3D object and Akash can buy.
Okay, children, all of you listen to the question carefully. Carefully, I'll tell you what is the question. Anuj is a boy. He has a 3D object with 12 edges. Which objects will have 12 edges? Tell me. Which objects will have 12 edges? 12 edges. A objects kuntai, A 3D shapes kuntai.
Cuboid.
Still cuboid. Cube. Very good. Cube and cuboid have 12 edges. After telling the answer, why are you shouting, children? Oksare cheppal answer. Why are you telling those many times? Chattyar mat. Only one time you have to tell the answer. Why are you telling again and again? Is this a class? Children, you don't know how to tell your answer. If you know your answer, you have to raise your hand. Don't you know how to give the answer? Otherwise, type in the chat box what is your answer. Don't give group answers. Listen. So, suppose he may be having a cube or cuboid. We don't know what he has. So, his friend Akram wants to buy a 3D object with a different number of edges. Ante, he wants to buy another 3D object which doesn't have 12 edges. He wants to buy another object which doesn't have 12 edges. Okay, name one 3D object that Akram can buy. Tell me, children, any 3D object which doesn't have 12 edges. Type your answer. 12 edges, A shape kundavu. Which shapes don't have 12 edges? Which shapes don't have? Akshara, circle is a 2D object. I asked 3D. 3D shape.
Square means
Square is 2D, Nana. Very good, Nainika. Cone, write down. Very good, Nainika. Excellent, Prem sir. And cylinder and cone, very good. Aniket, very good. See, children, you don't have 12 edges for cone and cylinder and sphere. Very good, Zainab. Very good, Tali. Write down in here. Any one is enough. Here I am writing cone, children. Any one you can write. Cone you can write. Otherwise cylinder. Any one object you can write. Cylinder you can write.
cone, cylinder.
Sphere. These all shapes don't have 12 edges. Now all of you come to S4, which is very interesting, children. Put the today's date. 1, 12, 20. December 1st.
1,
All of you put
12.
the today's date. All of you come to S4.
Miss, I will read first question, Miss. Miss, I will.
Raise your hand if you want to read. Don't say like that. Raise your hand. Don't give group answers. Raise your hand. Navya, read ma. First question, Navya.
Miss, I will. Miss, towards the page, last question, Miss. Miss, draw. Miss,
Why remaining children are talking? Only Navya should talk. Remaining quiet. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay. Navya, read ma. Navya, read the first question.
draw a square and a rectangle on about paper.
Yes, very good. Children, do you know now what we are going to do? We are going to draw 3D shapes. What is S for? Drawing 3D shapes. Now we are going to learn how to draw 3D shapes. Okay, are you all ready?
Miss,
Okay,
Yes.
first question. Can you see dots on the paper? Dots. Children, can you all see dots here? Show me your thumb. Who can see dots? Very good. Now we are going to draw shapes on dot paper. Dot paper. Okay. Now see, draw a square and a rectangle on dot paper. Now you should draw one square and rectangle by joining the dots. I will tell you how to draw square. Okay, all of you join three dots. Anywhere you can join. Anywhere. Join 3 dots. ఎక్కడైనా join చేయొచ్చు anywhere. Join 3 dots. Square means every side will be equal, children. All sides equal, no? So every side join 3 dots, everyone. Join 3 dots very, very neatly. Join 3 dots like this. All sides 3 dots. Yes, we have drawn a square. Now all of you draw a rectangle and show to me. Join dots. Show me your book. Who completed? Show me your book. Draw a rectangle. Show me your book to me. Good, Ishwari. Children, draw rectangle. Who completed drawing square? Draw rectangle, Nana. Satvik, very good. Very good, K. Satvik. Very good. Yakub, very good, ma. Zainab, show your book, Tali. Zainab. Jashvita completed. Havish, last time I'm telling you if you didn't switch on the video, Havish, I won't allow you for the class, Havish. Why? What happened to you? Every time I'm telling switch on your videos. Okay. Good, Satvik.
thank you, Miss. Miss, completed.
Yes, now all of you see. Okay, I'll tell you how to draw rectangle once. So here you can draw 3 dots.
Miss, show 4. Yes, I draw third answer.
Join the
Miss.
dots properly. Join the dots properly.
Yes, I join it.
This is rectangle. Okay, now all of you come to second question. In second question, look at the 3D shapes. Draw these 3D shapes on the dot paper. What is the first shape, children? What is this? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody identify this one? Ah, this is children, this is cube. Very good. What is the second one? Cuboid. First one cube and second one cuboid. Cube and cuboid. Now we shall learn how to draw cube and cuboid. Okay? I'll tell you children how to draw cube and cuboid. Drop your pencils and all of you look at the screen. Screen children Andrew. Drop your pencils. Fold your hands. Fold your hands everyone. Fold. First. Fold your hands. Drop the pencil. Look at the screen everyone. Now I'll tell you how to draw the square. How to draw the cube children. Look at the book carefully. How I am drawing. See. Now I am going to draw cube. Okay. These are the dots you have. Up you have drawn one square. No. See all of you. How you have drawn same like that. Draw one square here. Not now. నేను చెప్పేసాక draw చేయాలి. Not now. First look at the screen. Draw one square. I'm joining 3 dots, Nana. All of you join 3 dots like this. 3 dots here. All sides 3 dots. Now, after drawing one square like this, middle, can you see one dot? Show me your thumb. Middle, can you see one dot? Dot కనిపిస్తుందా middle? అక్షర నీకు కనిపించట్లేదా డాట్? Show me your thumb. Okay. Now, from the middle dot, all of you look at the middle dot. From the middle dot to up, join 3 dots. From the middle dot, all of you and down 3 dots. Now join like this. Okay. Now all of you draw this one. Now first draw one square and from the middle draw another square. Do like this everyone. Do like this. First draw 3 dot square and from the middle join another square. Very good, Lasya. After joining the square, after drawing the square, now we have to. Yakub, I said in second class. Did you remember, Nana? Yakub, very good. Okay. Now all of you should join like this. So these two, and inside also here and here. Who completed? Show me your books. Show me your books. Aravind, are you following? Nana, I came late to the class. No, Aravind, are you following?
Miss completed.
Very good, Kartikeya. Very good.
My picture. See my picture,
Very good, Navya. Super. Everybody super. Super. Satvik, you drawn also cuboid. Very good, Satvik. Meghana, no video, Talli Meghana. Switch on the video, Meghana.
Miss, I am in my grandma's house, miss.
Okay.
do
Now,
not have
children,
books.
let us draw cuboid. Let us draw the cuboid. Aravind, are you following? You didn't respond to me, Aravind. Are you following? Show me your digital thumb. Aravind, are you doing, Nana? Aravind? Prem Sharan? What happened to Prem Sharan?
Finish second one, miss.
Let us draw cuboid. Don't talk. Quiet, children. Quiet, everyone. Quiet. Let us draw cuboid. So, now how to draw cuboid? See, observe carefully. Children, if the meeting ends, you have to rejoin. If the meeting ends, rejoin quickly. Rejoin quickly if the meeting ends. So, now let us draw cuboid. Same like that, draw one rectangle, children. Rectangle. All of you draw one rectangle. You can join 4 dots, 5 dots, your wish. Any number of dots you can join. Okay, draw one rectangle like this. After drawing, in the middle you can see dots. All of you place your pencil at the first dot. First dot దగ్గర pencil పెట్టి draw again another rectangle. ఫస్ట్ డాట్ ఎక్కడుందో అక్కడ పెన్సిల్ పెట్టి ఇంకో రెక్టాంగిల్ డ్రా చేయండి. Now after drawing the rectangle, join all the sides. Simple. That's all. Is it easy?
Yes,
Is
miss.
it easy, children?
Means like cube only. This also means like cube only. This also means.
Like cube only, same like that, but you have to draw rectangles. That's all.
Yes, same we should draw, but rectangle we should draw, miss.
Yes.
Miss, completed, miss.
Havish, show me your book, Havish.
Miss, completed, miss.
Very good, Ishwari.
Miss, see my picture, miss.
Miss, one see chart box, miss.
Miss, see my picture, miss.
One see chart box, miss.
Miss, look
Aniket,
at my
stop. I
picture.
told in second class again. I'm telling. Listen, that's all. So, okay. Children, now let us go to the third question. Arvind, can you read third question, Arvind?
Miss, I will read, miss.
Remaining quiet. Arvind, I can't listen your voice, Arvind. What happened?
Miss,
Is there any problem, Arvind?
miss, I completed third question also, miss.
Okay, stop, everyone. Satvik, can you read ma third question, Satvik?
Okay, miss. Look at the 3D shape.
Miss, I can.
Draw a 3D shape that is double the size of the given shape.
Very good, Satvik. See, children, look at the 3D shape. Draw a 3D shape that is double the size of the given shape. That is double size cube you have to draw. See the up to picture, children. If you double the cube, what it will become? 2 cubes draw just same avutadadi. If you draw 2 cubes, what it will become? Can you tell me?
Cuboid.
Very good. When you join 2 cubes, it will become cuboid. That means you have to draw one cuboid here. Children, all of you draw cuboid. All of you draw cuboid. When you join 2 cubes, it will become a Cuboid. When you join two
Completed, miss.
cubes, it will become a cuboid. Very, very neatly, children. Children, all of you open your TB now. Worksheet completed. Open your TB textbook.
Wait.
Open your TB. Who is that talking? Quiet, everyone. Quiet. Now, all of you open your TB, ma. Children, all of you open your TB, page number 5.
Worksheet I completed, miss.
Worksheet completed. All of you open your TB textbook, page number 5. Volume 2 textbook, page number 5. Open page number 5 in volume 2 textbook. New textbook, open page number 5. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? I'll show you. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Did you all open this page?
Yes, miss.
Miss, if the class and
This page
we not rejoin.
Children, all of you look at the screen, ma. So you have to open page number 5. I'm giving you homework. See, lesson 1 is your homework. Lesson 1, 2, 3 questions. HW, put tick marks. Lesson 1, first question, second question, third question. Lesson 1 and lesson 2, 1, 2, 3. All these questions you have to do in the HW book. Page number 5, Nana. Page number 5. New book, volume 2, page number 5. Open page number 5. Lesson 1, lesson 2, total 6 questions. Lesson 1, 1, 2, 3. Lesson 2, 1, 2, 3, homework. Lesson 1, 1, 2, 3. Lesson 1, 1, 2, 3. Lesson 2, 1, 2, 3, homework. Did you all mark the homework? Show your thumb to me. Show your digital thumb.
Miss, AW or HW?
HW, in HW, homework you'll do in CW, Zainab.
No,
completed already. Miss already completed, miss.
Already completed.
Yes, miss.
When did you complete, Nana? Who completed? Who completed? Do page number 6. Who completed lesson 1 and 2? Do page number 6. Okay.
Completed. 6 also completed,
miss.
Very good. 6 also completed. Miss.
Excuse me, miss, in TB we should do, miss.
No,
That
not
page
in TB. HW book. In HW book you have to do.
That page number 6, miss.
No, page number 5 only. Lesson 1, 2 completed means you have to do page number 6. Lesson 1, 2, if you didn't complete lesson 1 and 2.
Miss, page number 6 we should write in TB only, na. Miss,
Yes, page number 6 in TB only. No need to do in HW book. Page number 6 in TB only.
Okay, miss. Thank you, miss. Thank you, miss.
Children, do you know our block 9 is completed? 3D shapes.
Ah.
Block 9 3D shapes completed.
Class is
Miss, I
completed,
know.
miss.
No,
I
not
know.
class
Miss,
not
I know.
completed. Wait, children, class not completed. Children, we have class. Wait. So, block 9 is completed and we have very interesting block that is block 10. Okay, okay, children, you'll go to some shopping malls, D-Mart, like that you'll go, no? Did you go anytime? Shopping malls, D-Mart, Big Bazaar. Did you go like that?
Yes, miss.
Miss,
Yeah,
when there is no corona, I will go, miss.
now you should not go because now it
It
you
is
should not go
corona
outside.
time, miss.
But yes, it is
The
very
corona time.
yes. Now corona time you should not go outside. But before that, did you go to shopping malls with your family? Before that,
Yes, miss.
you went to D-Mart.
Yes, miss.
Children, three numbers you have to shut your mouth. 1, 2, little bit shape. 3. Zip your mouth. Zip your mouth. Zip your mouth, everyone. Stop. Okay, there you can see some sarees, dresses, and on the dresses some pictures will be there. Your mummy sarees will be there. No, your mother will be wearing sarees. On those sarees, you can see some pictures. Did you see any time pictures? Pictures, designs. You can find some designs, right, children? Designs untai. Even on your dress, you will have designs, no? Some designs will be. So, what is your work, children? See, you'll take your mummy's one saree, okay? Take one saree, your mummy's saree, okay? Okay, on that saree, what pictures are there and what design is there? Draw on your book today, okay? Will you draw? Will you draw design? On the saree, what design is there? You have to draw in your book, okay? Who will draw? Show me your thumb. Very good. Very neatly. Okay, very neatly. How the design on the saree same. Very neatly you have to draw. Okay, that is your activity today. Simple activity. Okay. Okay, children. Now, block 10 patterns. We have the topic patterns, everyone. So, after drawing the design, we'll go into patterns. So, all of you open block 10. Yes, 1. Page number 7 worksheet. Page number 7 worksheet. All of you open worksheet, page number 7. This one. I'll show. This is the page. All of you open block 10 worksheet. So this is the patterns block. S1 creating patterns. Creating
We should do that, Miss.
Miss, which book we should draw? Mummy is asking.
Miss, we have to color also, Miss.
Miss, which book we should draw?
Miss, we have to color also,
In
Miss.
HW book, yes, you have to color also. In HW book, you have to do.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, this yes one we will do in the next class, children. Okay, next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Our class is done. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Miss.
Do the
Bye.
homework and post the
Bye, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye.